Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the stunning 6-light Farmhouse Candle Chandelier, a perfect blend of rustic charm and industrial elegance for any room in your home. This chandelier features a matte black finish with 6 vivid candle-shaped bulb sockets, adorned with petal-shaped iron details, spiral terms, and twist balls that enhance its aesthetic appeal, making it a fabulous decorative and functional addition to your space. Crafted from superior materials, this chandelier boasts a well-polished, anti-rust metal construction that's easy to clean and simple to install, with clear instructions included in the package. The fixture requires 6 E12 bulbs, each with a maximum of 40 watts, allowing you to choose between incandescent bulbs for a vintage ambiance or LED bulbs for a modern effect, creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere or a bright, clean look. The adjustable height feature, with 260 cm flexible chains, lets you customize the chandelier's position to suit your needs, whether you prefer it closer to the ceiling or hanging lower. This versatile light fixture is ideal for various spaces, including hallways, kitchens, bedrooms, living rooms, and foyers, offering a simplistic yet distinctive design that complements any decor. Transform your home with this elegant chandelier, and enjoy the perfect balance of style and functionality it brings to your living space. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.